Hi, I'm enrolled on the Heathen Vegan 30-day home cook course. I was lucky enough to taste Julia's food before I joined the course, and I used to always think, God, I wish I could cook like that. And now I can, or at least almost can. This isn't a recipe book, it's high quality, real-time videos that you cook along with at the same time as Julia. She's showing on screen exactly what to do and how to do it. And you can see what it should look like as you go along, so you know if you're undercooked or overcooking, and you can pause the video and catch up if you need to. Just in case anybody's concerned, there's no preachy pressure about veganism at all. It's just a fantastic range of recipes that are colourful, tasty, with loads of textures, at restaurant standard, and it's proper food cooked from scratch. My absolute favourites are the tofu ones, which is, I guess, quite controversial, tofu not being the most flavoursome ingredient, but it's fantastic value for money given the content. Julia's really passionate about good food and good presentation. That really comes through. I wholeheartedly recommend the course to anyone who's thinking about it, and I look forward to seeing everybody's creations on the course.